Welcome to the Marketing Bullies crash course for learning how to segment your email as a beginner. At a basic level, you'll start with a lead capture system. New leads find your brand online, they love your content, they click your link and subscribe. But what happens now? Segmenting begins now. But what is this? Segmenting means that you group your customers together based on actions and behaviors that they share. This grouping occurs by adding tags to your customer profiles. Take a screenshot to learn more about tags. Now that you know what tags are, you're ready to use them to actually segment your list. You'll have two different tags here, a general tag for people who sign up, and then you'll get specific based on where they sign up and what they sign up for. Now that you have your tags ready, you're ready to personalize their content. This helps you ensure that people stay on your email list as long as possible, but more importantly, that they love the content that you send them. Once you do this, you're ready to start sending content over 30 to 60 days. And once this period passes, you're ready to download and analyze that data. Now that you've downloaded and analyzed that data, you're ready to retag based on new behaviors. You now know who opens your emails, why, and what they're interested in. Now you're ready to use that data to create new groups and new content, and it reduces the likelihood of your content being marked as spam. If you love this breakdown, then you'll love the email marketing toolkit. Go ahead and drop your questions down below and grab your toolkit on the way out of this thread.